Remove the icing tube. Loosen the wing nuts and remove the nozzle block. Remove the valve and both valve rings. The smaller valve ring may be stuck inside the nozzle block. Remove it with a small picker. Make sure the valve rings don't get lost. Wash everything with hot water and soap. If necessary, use a brush for the nozzle. Check to make sure you can see through the nozzle. Install the valve rings. The larger one goes on first. The valve ring comes lubricated from the factory. Use vegetable oil to lubricate the outside of the valve rings. Wipe off any excess so it does not migrate to the valve hole. Completely dry all parts before assembling. Reinstall the valve in the nozzle block as shown. It should be easy to turn the valve in the block. Remove and wash the wiping station. Before cleaning the interior parts, switch off the unit. Clean the nozzle cap. Clean the base mat. It is also removable. The base mat, the carousel, the black trays and the tubes are dishwasher safe. Or you can hand wash the plunger and the tube. Completely dry the tubes before filling with icing. Reinstall the nozzle block. Match the orientation of the tab to the cam. It should be close to horizontal. Reinstall the wing nuts. Reinstall the wiping station.